I'm in my backyard, and as you can see, it's covered, or most, not all of it, but a good piece of it is covered in this hay. And what's going on here is the power company dug this up to do some upgrades on the electric. I don't have a problem with that. This work needs to be done, and we all want reliable power, right? So, okay, cool. What's not cool is the landscapers they hired to restore this area after the work was done covered it in this netting. You can see, oh, maybe you can't see, it's hard to tell on the camera, but it's this mesh or netting. It's pretty tight, and this entire area is covered in it, and it's plastic. So this is going to be here, forever. And I'm concerned, the fact that this stuff is forever, and this plastic is going to end up in places it shouldn't be. It already is. It already shouldn't be here, but we have tons of critters here. As you can see, I live in a wooded area. This is what I see out my kitchen window, and it's beautiful and gorgeous, just this wall of green. And along with that comes a lot of wildlife, and we have chipmunks, rabbits, squirrels, many varieties of birds. I don't even know how many varieties of birds. We have toads, a lot of toads. I get deer back here, and even some predators like foxes and coyotes. But this is a very active area for wildlife. I mean, just a few feet away here on these two old worn out boards, I throw bird seed out here every morning, and I get plenty of customers. I saw 6 blue jays out here just this morning. So it's very concerning that this is here. I'm worried that the toads are going to get caught underneath it. The birds are going to come around and want to use this as nesting material. So they're going to come down and land on this and start picking around and likely, have a problem, get caught. And it's not good. I dread coming out here one day and finding a dead bird tangled up in this, or a toad stuck underneath it. I wasn't here when the landscapers came, otherwise I would have tried to stop them. And look, I'm not some environmentalist, tree hugger, vegan, hippie type, but I am sensible. And I just think this is so unnecessary. There's got to be a better way. So the best I can do is warn others and let you know this is going on. The power company's doing a lot of work in this area, and these little hay patches are all over the place. So I'm sure there's a lot of this plastic in the area. But let's try to do a little better next time.